Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English is Easy with Emma. It's so good to have you here. I'm Emma, and today we are going to talk about something that I think every single English learner has in common, and that is making mistakes. Now, I know, nobody asterisk likes asterisk making mistakes, right? But before you panic, I want to tell you that mistakes are actually a really good thing. Seriously, they mean you're learning, you're actually using the language. Even the most advanced English speakers I know, they still make mistakes sometimes. So you're in good company. So today we're going to look at 5 common English mistakes that learners make. And of course, the important part, how to fix them. You ready? Let's jump right in. Okay, mistake number 1, saying he go instead of he goes. Oh yeah, this is a super, super common one, so don't feel bad if you do this. It's all about that present simple tense. Basically, whenever you're talking about he, she, or it, you just have to remember to add that little s to the end of the verb. So not he go to school, but he goes to school. It's a small change, I know, but it makes a huge difference to how natural you sound. All right, mistake number 2, confusing your and your. I hear this one all the time, and I see it in writing too. So let's clear it up. Your, Y-O-U-R, shows that something belongs to you. It shows possession. For example, your English is improving. The English belongs to you, but your, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, is just a short way of saying you are. Like in, you're doing a great job. So here's a simple trick, okay? If you can replace the word with you are in the sentence, then you should use your. Easy, right? Ooh, mistake number 3. This is a big one, saying I am agree. I think, yeah, almost every learner I've met has said this at some point. The thing is, in English, the word agree is a verb. It's an action. So we don't need the verb am with it. It's like saying I am run. It just doesn't work. So you just say, I agree. That's it. Simple and so much more natural. All right, mistake number 4. Now, this one isn't a grammar mistake, not really, but it's something that will make your English sound so much more advanced. And that is using the word very too much. I mean, we all do it when we start learning, right? We say very good, very bad, very tired. It's easy, but you can sound so much more natural. So instead of very good, why not try like excellent or fantastic or amazing? Instead of very bad, you could say terrible or awful. It adds so much more color to your speaking. Number 5, forgetting articles. Okay, let's talk about those tricky little words. Aba, ana, and the. They're small, but they are so important. So often I hear learners say something like, I bought book yesterday. But an English speaker would immediately notice something's missing. We need that article. I bought a book yesterday. Articles can be really tricky. I get it. But just remembering to use them is a great first step. So let's do a quick recap of today's 5 mistakes. We had forgetting the third person s, confusing your and york, saying I am agree, using very too often, and forgetting articles. Remember, mistakes are not failures. Please remember that. They're just proof that you're trying, that you're learning. Every single fluent English speaker you've ever met was once a beginner. And every mistake you make is just one more step on your journey to fluency. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of English is Easy with Emma. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and maybe share it with a friend who is also learning English. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and always remember, English is easy with Emma. Bye, everyone.